CAD Studio Web can serve as a free DWG online viewer. It requires no account or login. You just open the CAD Studio web page. It is linked in the description below. And here you click Live Demo in your browser and it opens up the application in the browser. And to use it as a DWG viewer, you will click Open File and you open your file. I will open this mountain project. And now here I've got my interface where I can zoom in, zoom out. I can manage working with layers if I want to hide these dimensions. I can open my layer manager and hide these two layers which contain the dimensions so you can see that they are hidden. You can also measure distances using the distance command. So I can click this point, and I've got my distance information here. CAD Studio also supports viewing several files at once. So if I want to open another file, I will click here, click open this one, and you can see I'm viewing this file, and here I've got my another file. What's important to note is that even though the application runs in a web browser, none of your data, none of the DWG files are uploaded into the cloud. The application runs locally on your computer. CAD Studio Web is much more than a DWG files viewer, but I wanted to highlight this functionality of the software in this video. You can easily access it without any login, any account, or any password. The link to the application is in the description box below. I hope this was helpful and I will see you in the next one.